Hi, my name is Vince Caceres, Vice President of Product Management at Oracle Corporation, and I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about Enterprise 2.0 and how some of the Web 2.0 technologies that you're very familiar with can be applied within your organizations. Oftentimes, when you do some sort of enterprise search within the organization, it becomes very difficult to find information or applications that you use less frequently. So what you can do is put a little label on it, put a tag on it, and then that way you get a personalized set of results for what you're looking for. And what you do infrequently is then immediately recognizable to you so that you can keep moving forward. That allows others to take advantage of some of the things that you've tagged as well. The next thing, though, is oftentimes we spend a lot of time sending out emails with attachments, and you then spend more time kind of looking at those email attachments and trying to figure out what the best version is or what the latest version is. By using a wiki, you can oftentimes then allow everybody to participate. That way, if you forgot somebody on an email, you can just send them the URL to the wiki page and they can continue to participate in the conversation. And it saves everybody else time because now they don't have to look through the latest versions. They don't have to try and figure out what the merged results are. They just go to one page, they can see what their results are, and they can move forward. Next, if you think about when you try and find people within the organization, oftentimes the people that have the expertise to help you solve a business problem, maybe it's to quote a new sales opportunity for different customers. You want to find the sales consultants that were the most effective in those cases as well. So what we try and do with presence and with activities is we want those tied into the applications that they use on a regular basis. So when that expert sales consultant is on vacation, you don't waste time sending him an email or waiting for him to reply. You simply check online and you can get quick answers to those simple questions. Or more importantly, then you can find those experts and develop a network over time of those users and of those experts that you need to help you with your sales calls. And then the next part is, when I'm working within those applications, oftentimes I switch from one application to the next because I need to find information to then interpret it and make a better decision. So I'm left oftentimes with copying information or remembering it in my head and then interpreting it and then moving forward. What mashups allow me to do is connect those enterprise applications and internet content in the context of what I'm trying to accomplish or what I need to do. So for example, if I wanted to try and approve an expense report, it's very simple to approve an expense report, to just hit OK. But oftentimes, you need to find out whether that dollar amount for that expense report is going to push you over budget or cause more problems. So you need BI information here to be able to understand how much of your budget is left. And you need information coming out of the enterprise applications to decide whether what you've committed to is going to be beyond your budget amount if you approve this particular expense report. So you need a mashup to kind of pull all those things together so that when you do approve that expense report, you have confidence that you're not going to go over your budget or your allocated amounts. So what I've shown you today is a whole set of Web 2.0 technologies that you're familiar with and that you can leverage within your enterprise so that you can build out your own Enterprise 2.0 network. Thanks for your time.